Good evening, parents. Welcome to Back to School tonight. My name is Mrs. Marie Zinn, and I am your child's Spanish 3 or Spanish 5 AP teacher. And I wanted to give you a little bit of information about myself and a little bit of information about the class. You can contact me via email. I have 2 emails because I got married 3 weeks after I started teaching at DeSales and my name changed. Actually celebrated my 7th anniversary today. I have been teaching at DeSales. This is my 8th year. I'm starting my 8th year, and this is my 24th year of teaching. I taught previously at 2 small public schools in Northwest Ohio near Tiffin. The last one I taught at was actually my alma mater, and then I came down to Columbus after I met my then fiance and found a job here at DeSales, and have been here ever since. So I am excited to be teaching your child this year, and looking forward to a very successful year. I just a little more personal information. My husband's name is Ryan, and we have a 5-year-old daughter whose name is Sylvia, and 2 Labradoodles. So I will be teaching this year, at least for the first quarter of the year. I will be teaching remotely because my husband is a heart transplant recipient, and therefore he is immunosuppressed, and he is considered to be high risk. And so I requested from our administration to start the year remotely, and they were very willing to work with me and make that happen. And so I will be teaching remotely. So it's a little bit different of a situation than some of the other teachers, but so far it seems to be going quite well. There are my colleagues in the World Language Department are in my class during the time that my classes are going on, and they have done a fantastic job of helping my students out when they need help. So things seem to be going so far seem to be going very, very well. So because I am remote, and please be aware all of this information is in the syllabus that is in your child's Google Classroom. So hopefully they have already shared that with you. So because I am remote, we are going to be having Zoom meetings on a regular basis. And I have shared a link with your child in Google Classroom so that they don't have to search for that link. That it's pretty easy to find. And so far they've done a really great job with getting on and being involved in those Zoom calls. So my requests for them are that they arrive on time and that they participate. And they have been doing that. So I have been starting out my class with a question that they answer in Google Classroom. We listen to a little music. We do our prayer in Spanish. And then we go into our group activity. And it could be a speaking activity. It could be listening to a song. Whatever it is that the heart of what we're doing that day. And that's what we do on the Zoom. And then I have a plan del día that I show them, our plan of the day, so that they know. It's a Google slide. They know what's expected of them. I also go over what they have to do on their own after we're done with our Zoom. And then when we're done with our group activity, I have been giving them time to ask questions and then also work on their homework in Google Classroom, whatever they have that is due. And so far, like I said, things have been going very smoothly. So they will be submitting their homework all on Google Classroom. We're also using an app called Flipgrid, which allows them to record videos so that they can practice speaking their Spanish. We have a new app we're going to be using called Extempore, which is another app they can use for speaking. They can use it for listening. And I think it's going to be a really great addition to our technology. And we're also using, I've started using Pear Deck, which is a great way to make Google Slides interactive. And we're going to use that one in class tomorrow on Tuesday. So just a little bit about the class and about myself. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me via email, and I would be happy to either email you back or call you back and get in touch with you. I want to thank you so much for allowing me the ability to stay home and be remote and work with your child, and at the same time keep my husband safe. And thank you so much, and God bless.